I don't understand why people don't understand that the 5 pillars, Iman, Salah, Zakat, fasting, Hajj, they are called pillars of Islam. What are they called? Pillars. They are not called the whole of Islam. It's not the house of Islam. They are pillars. The Prophet, peace be upon him, says, these 4 things, Salah, Zakat, fasting, Hajj, are like 4 pillars which holds up the house of Iman. Pillars is different to a house. Why don't we just live in go put up 4 pillars and live around it? Do you do that? Have his money? Yeah, put up 4 pillars and live around it. Have no canopy, have no house, have no bedroom, no kitchen, no what, nothing. Just live in it. So is that what we do? We just live with 4, 5 pillars? Say we Muslim, we pray Salah, we give Zakat, we fast and we perform Hajj. These are the pillars of Islam. What about the whole Islam? The ihsan, the goodness, the taqwa, the piety, the house of Islam. Where is that? Very sad. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't, my brothers and sisters and our viewers worldwide. That's why we always remind ourselves, and in continuation of the last few khutbahs, how the family Ali Imran from chapter 3 of the Quran, how they dedicated themselves in the path of Allah. All the prophets. And Allah tells us this in the Quran all the time so that we will become more people dedicating ourselves and our life and our time in the path of Allah. Nobody is saying don't live a normal life, but add something of dawah and Qur'an and additional Islam in our life. Don't just be a pillar, 5 pillars Muslim. That's only the pillar, it's not the whole house. It's not. The whole house is in the full Qur'an and the Sunnah. Those are just a few verses in the Qur'an that makes our Salah, our Zakat, our fasting and our Hajj compulsory. Just a few verses. What about the whole Quran? Don't we live the whole Quran or we forgot the whole Quran? The whole Quran is not only about Salah. The whole Quran is not only about Zakat. The whole Quran is not only about fasting and Hajj. Not at all. Not at all.